Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us at NCS Impact 2026. This year is a special year for NCS. We mark our 45th anniversary. Today also marks my 100 days as your CEO. Hopefully, I'm still around after this week. Since 1981, NCS has evolved alongside Singapore's technological journey. We are in the new era, the era of intelligentization. Today, I would like to share 3 things. Number 1, how we are rewiring NCS to be an AI-led tech services organization. Not simply adding AI to what we already do, but changing how we organize, build, deliver, and operate. Second, we are releasing the NCS AI Playbook, a practical guide built from the insights we have gathered from hundreds of AI projects and deployments. It captures what it really takes to move AI from ambition to outcomes. And third, our people remain our greatest assets. We are reskilling our workforce with AI capabilities and equipping them with the tools to enhance their work so that AI becomes a multiplier for human expertise, not a replacement for it. For many years, NCS has been known as a trusted systems integrator experienced in implementing mission-critical projects. We built and connected the technology foundations for organizations like schools, banks, airports, and public service agencies. But in this intelligentization era, that role must evolve. Clients no longer need someone who can implement technology. They need a partner who can orchestrate entire ecosystems and the ability to translate fast-moving AI into real-world outcomes. We are rewiring NCS to become an AI-led tech services organization. What does that mean in practical terms? It means changing how we organize ourselves. It means building stronger industry focus so that our teams do not just understand technology, but understand the realities of our clients' sectors. It means a new operating model where AI helps teams move from idea to implementation in days and weeks, not months and years. That is why we have formed NCS AI Central, led by our Chief AI Officer, Edward Chen. Its role is to accelerate innovation, scale adoption, build reusable platforms, and help our clients move from AI ambition to AI outcomes. Edward will share more on this later. Before we help others transform, we have to go through the transformation ourselves. So we started with NCS. We built AI agents, AI products, and platforms to transform our delivery. As an SI, we need to move fast. We have been developing AI agents tailored to our processes to increase productivity and speed to serve. For example, in application development, we have launched more than 100 AI agents to speed up the delivery lifecycle. Today, every developer gets access to the latest AI agent of NCS Sunshine.Coder. In operations, we have Sunshine.Ops. We have codified our decades of day 2 experience into AI agents, automating issues remediation and shortening time to resolve for our customers. All NCS employees now get paired with at least 3 role-based AI agents to support them, including my corporate service employees. Let me give you an example. Jancy is a business support manager who has been with NCS for 27 years. She is not a developer, but without technical training, she and her team are now using NCS GPT for sales registration and project operation activities. They configured custom prompts on NCS GPT, built an AI assistant trained on NCS policy guidelines, turning tedious manual project scope reviews into streamlined automated workflow. That means the team can follow standardized compliant workflows with AI support. And the bosses were like this, available 24/7. They are also using AI agents to identify urgent, unanswered emails, draft replies, translate and refine content, answer work queries, and improve procedures and training materials. This is exactly what we mean by AI increasing our capability and capacity. Not just for engineers, not just for specialists, but for business support teams who understand their processes and can now use AI to make those processes faster, clearer, and more consistent. That example doesn't just apply to ourselves. It's just a part of the AI services NCS is delivering to our clients. Based on hundreds of AI projects we have implemented, we have gathered some meaningful insights, which we are sharing in depth today with the launch of our NCS AI playbook, available at all reputable bookstores, but actually downloadable from our website. NCS AI playbook is a practical, practitioner-led blueprint that equips organizations with a strategy, framework, and execution discipline needed to transform AI investment into measurable and scalable business value. Based on implementation learnings from Singapore, Hong Kong, Australia, and China, the main insights is we need technology and people and everything in between to be ready. Scaling AI in production across organizations is not easy. Employers and employees need to be ready. There are common challenges, including unoptimized AI costs, unclear governance, unchanged business processes, lack in employee reskilling, and employees fearful of being displaced. That is why 95% of pilots never made it to production. We have developed a framework to deliver AI cheaper, better, faster, and safer. Cheaper to help customers select the right AI models for their use cases, developing a model garden and token strategy fitting their organization strategy. Better to help customers be AI ready with their data and business processes for maximum AI returns. And faster, AI has compressed the speed to market and product shipping timeline. We have multimodal AI accelerators to enable you to leapfrog your competitors without having to build from scratch. And safer, security and guardrails remains the utmost importance in AI solutions. We take this seriously and have been building a product that help our customers secure their AI solutions. My colleague, Sunil, will share more in his section later on. And the core message is simple. AI has to work in the real operating environment of each client. Our AI playbook serves as a practical guide to help organizations move from AI ambition to AI outcomes. We have learned something crucial. People and technology must work together to succeed. It seems obvious, yet in the era of AI, people can feel left behind. That's why our people in NCS remains my top priority. We continue to invest in our workforce and bring in young talent. We have 3 work-study programs supporting employees to upgrade their qualifications while working full-time with NCS, from IT graduate to diploma, diploma to degree, and degree to Masters of Technology. Across all programs, we have onboarded more than 1,900 work-study employees. One such new hire is Amiru. He joined NCS through our Fusion work-study program. Amiru joined and started Day 2 IT maintenance and operations, supporting manual processes, tools integration, and maintenance Day 2 work. While pursuing his degree, he learned from experienced NCS colleagues about incident handling, health checks, and remediation workflows. Today, Amiru is translating those operational workflows into agentic AI solutions, using platforms such as ServiceNow, Logic Monitor, Resolve, Amazon Bedrock, and Prompt Engineering. He has moved from operations support to become an AI builder. That is the purpose of our work-study programs. On the other hand, Lav Kumar Batra has been with NCS for 15 years. As an experienced contributor in NCS, AI became real when he saw how it could be combined with his deep operational knowledge. Having worked on multiple large-scale projects for more than a decade, he understood NCS service methodologies and customer processes. With tools such as Sunshine.coder, he's able to agentify established processes into AI-led solutions for his projects. Now, whenever he looks at a project challenge, instead of asking, why AI? He asks, why not AI? At NCS, AI does not replace domain knowledge. It makes our domain knowledge more powerful. Organizations that succeed in the era of intelligentization will be the ones that bring together young and experienced employees. Younger employees bring speed, fluency, and AI native thinking, while experienced employee brings deep context, judgment, and leadership. The future workforce must be bilingual, fluent in both technical AI and domain language. Let me now close by returning to the 3 things I wanted to share. First, NCS is rewiring ourselves to become an AI-led technology services organization, changing how we organize, build, deliver, and operate. Secondly, through our AI playbook, we want to share what we have learned from real AI deployments, what it takes to move from pilots to production, from ambition to outcomes. And third, our greatest asset remains our people. We are equipping them with AI skills and tools so that AI technology connects with human needs and business outcomes. This is the next chapter of NCS. AI-led, people-centered. This is the future that NCS is committed to help building.